calm day after a windy day. Hey everyone, how you doing? It is me, Timothy. It's a calm day for us here in Michigan after having a tremendous windy day yesterday. Yeah, after having a windy day yesterday, everything is calm today for us. Yeah, got the sun shining, the birds are chirping. It's calm, but the temps are supposed to start getting cold on us here in Michigan. Yeah, the temps. Yeah, this weekend they're saying it's going to feel more like January weather than March weather. We're going to go back into a little January weather. So if you like me to, I will send you what we're going to be getting this weekend here in Michigan. Just drop a comment and let me know if you would like what we're going to be receiving here in Michigan. And I will definitely send it to you. I will definitely send it to you. So, how is everyone's great and a wonderful Thursday going? I hope your Thursday has been treating you all real good out there. I hope it's been treating you all real good. My Thursday's been treating me real good. Yeah, I got up about, let's say, what time was it? 6:20. Rose out of bed, washed up, got cleaned up. I had me a cup of coffee, talked to my daughter on Facebook, then left to go pick my son up from work, brought him home, and then had some cereal with toast with peanut butter on it. Well, that's what I had for breakfast, and a glass of milk. And then after that, just chilled, watched Adam the Woo, the Daily Woo, a YouTuber. I watch his videos every morning. He was in Nashville. He was at the Dukes of Hazzard Museum in Nashville and did a video from there, and then went to some music thing where Willie Nelson and them had some stuff, and then he went somewhere else, and then after that watched some live Facebook chats from people doing some live streaming up from Facebook Live. And then after that got done, I decided to come out where I take my walks at, and that's where I'm at right now. And just sitting on a bench, watching this world go by, watching this world go by. And then after I'm done here, I am going to be going to the bank to see if my daughter's $42 is in there, and if it is, I gotta get that out for her, and then gotta get some money out for my son, and then I gotta get some money out for myself. And then after that, gotta go home and get her $42 mailed to her so she could get that. And then after that, I'm going to run to the store and pick up a few odds and ends at the store. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Oh yeah, I got to get some milk. And then I got to get something else on top of it. Oh, this detergent. And probably pick up a few snacks, and then after that, probably go back home and just chill for the day until my son gets up, and then probably sit around until both of us decide what to have for dinner tonight. I don't know what we got planned yet. Really don't. With only 2 people, it's kind of hard to figure out what to have, people. After having 3 people, it wasn't that hard, but now with only 2 people, it's like, oh my God, what do I want to cook? I don't want to cook something big because we hardly ever eat it. So I'm sure we'll figure it out. And when we do, we'll get it and enjoy it together as a father and son do. And then after that, have that to go along watching the news that comes on at 5 o'clock and see what's been going on around our fine local area, see if how they're processing on getting people's power back on for them, and see how much destruction the wind did yesterday. It did some destruction big time here in Michigan. Yeah, very big time. Yeah, tore up some garages. Somebody's garage got destroyed, and because of a tree landing on it, and I guess some building got ripped apart. Wow. Some of the winds got up to about 50 miles an hour around here in Michigan yesterday, almost 60. That's how wicked the wind was yesterday, people. And I guess I heard that the Michigan Wolverines, their plane went off the runway yesterday. I heard the basketball team. Well, thank God they're okay. And that wind played some tricks, I'll tell you that much. And I don't know how your jetliners dealt with it. I really don't. I wouldn't want to be on a jetliner yesterday coming into Michigan. That's for sure. Well, yeah, be watching the local news on that, then the evening news on top of that, and then after that, it's Pat Sajak and Vanna White, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, well, I watched that because they got a thing called the spin number that I enjoy watching. I'll be watching for that because I got a spin number for the game, and so I'll be watching that. Then after that goes off, then I'll be flipping it to watch the Gilmore Girls, part of the Gilmore Girls on the Up channel. And then after that, then I'll be watching Bringing Up Bates, a show that I enjoy watching on Thursday nights at 9 o'clock on the Up channel. But yeah, that's how my Thursday will be. And then after that, I don't know what I'll watch. I'm sure I'll figure it out until I go to bed, because I don't have to take my son to work tonight. He has tonight and Friday night off. I don't have to take him to work for the next 2 nights. Yippee! Yeah, yippee. Man, that's how my Thursday's going to be. And I want to say thank you very much to Lady T for giving me a shout out yesterday. Thank you again, Lady T, for giving me a shout out on your channel. I'm going to put Lady T's channel link at the bottom, everyone. That way some of you could go subscribe to her. She is a wonderful gal. A wonderful gal. I mean, she only has 73 subscribers. Now I'm going to give y'all her link and go subscribe to her. Give her some more subscribers. Go subscribe to her. A lot of you would really enjoy her channel. She goes out to cemeteries and does things there and shows your servicemen's graves and that, and she'll go to like what is it? Oh, to houses that are boarded up and stuff, or nobody's living in them, and she'll go to parks and stuff like that. I think a lot of you would really enjoy her channel, and then she's got other things planned for her channel coming up too, so I'll put her link so you guys could go and check her out. Well, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video here today, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it if you can. If you're new and popped along this video, hey, there's a red subscribe button. Click on it right there or right there. That way you could check out my other videos that I got. Well, again, y'all take it easy out there. Have a fantastic one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going in to good old Friday, or almost stepping into Friday, or at Friday's doorstep already, knocking at it, well, hey, happy Friday to you. And if you're still into Thursday and having a great, great Thursday wherever you're at, well, hey, happy Thursday. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a good one. And let's see, I'll end this letting y'all check out our wonderful part blue sky and cloudy sky. And hopefully I'll see a plane. There was a plane up there doing some flying around. There's a plane that always gets up in our sky up there that does some practicing. I don't know what he does up there, but he's not up there now. Must be him over there. Oh, there he is. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's just a dot. There he is. That's him. Log over.